Sony TV Part 2, no LED light. Let's find out. Let's jump into the video. This is the video. The TV, it's not turning on, no LED light. Let's open the front screen. Oh, there's no LED light there. It's shown here, the power is showing on with a red light there, but on our LED light there's no LED light. So we want to find out what's causing this. Let's unplug LCD from the engine. Right. Take all the screws as shown in the video. Right. The engine is off from the board. Right. We want to trace from this capacitor. It's 16 volts, 470 UF. There is no power reaching there. We want to inject power through our DC jack to check on these two legs of the electrolyte capacitor to see if power is coming there. Right, our power supply is on. We are injecting the power through DC jack. Right, let's turn on the engine. Right, we are going to switch on our multimeter to DC20. We are testing on the electrolyte capacitor there. There is no voltage. What's causing this on this electrolyte? Right, let's confirm by testing on the DC jack to see if power is there. Right, we are getting 13.7. Let's try to test again on our capacitor. No power. There is no power on this electrolyte capacitor. So we want to check what's the problem. Look there closely. That's where our problem is. This is a fuse jumper. It was broken. Take a look there. Right, we want to test the one side of the. Right, it's reading 13 volts, 7. On the other side, there's no voltage because this is our positive line in to that electrolyte capacitor. That's why our TV or LED light is not turning on. If you look closely, we have jumped there. We have put a wire jumper there, a very thin one. Now we want to test. Right, on our, it's 13.7. There is an LED light on. Right, let's turn it on. Now it's on the TV. Thanks viewers for watching.